Hi buddies, I'm back with one new video and I welcome you all to my channel, Jyotir Explorer. How have you been? Friends, I'm in Virar right now. Today we are going to explore Virar. Of course, we had been to this place last year, but we missed certain important locations here that we are going to cover today. It's going to be very interesting, so please stay tuned, okay? And friends, just a while ago, got down at the Virar railway station, and right now I am on this bridge connecting east and west side of the station, and now heading to the east side, okay, and this is the bridge or skywalk as we call here, and below the bridge you can see the road is so congested. That was now heading to the east side of the station. And first I want to show you the Virar railway station. This is the station, and that is the platform. It has total 4 platforms. This is the fourth number platform you can see here. This is the station area. Now heading to the east. It started pouring down, and as you know, it's a monsoon season here. But I carry my umbrella this wherever I go. And I want to tell you where we're heading to. I just came out of the station area and now walking around this beautiful pond. It's so beautiful. It's a perfect place for people to come and relax during their spare time. And in the middle of the town, it's a beautiful pond. And you can see one bridge built in the middle of the pond. It's really beautiful. Okay, I just want to walk around this pond. Isn't it amazing? Now it's, rain is kind of let up. We are getting intermittent rains these days, and that's good for me anyway. And see the beauty of this pond. Very beautiful. That was, I think this pond is full of fish, and I can also see one turtle here. Can you see that? I'm not sure whether you can see or not. It's full of fish, and there are pigeons and a duck, and the people come and feed pigeons here. I think there's so many hundreds of pigeons here, and this is duck. At first, Virar has so many interesting beautiful places to be explored. We are going to explore some of them, of course. And first of all, we are going to explore this place called Jeevdani Temple or Jeevdani Mandir. Jeevdani Temple is not just a religious place, but it's a very scenic location. It's a scenic temple located on a hilltop called Jeevdani Hill. It's very popular here. It's one of the very popular landmarks here. So we're going to visit this place, and it's located. And this temple is located around 1500 feet above sea level. 1500 feet above sea level. Okay, and there are over 1400 steps to reach the temple. But of course, there are facilities like ropeway. Ropeway is kind of small train carrying people up and down. So I'm going to use this ropeway today. Not because I cannot climb the steps, but I don't want to spend my entire energy today here. Just we have some other places to explore. So that's why. I've been walking since morning. So now the time is 1 p.m. So I think I need to eat something before heading to the vacation. Okay, I'm searching for a restaurant here. This is the Virar railway station East Market, and there are many restaurants, and but I didn't find any food that I like. So I'm still searching. I have something from here. Okay, let me see. This is a sweet shop. There are several food items here. I'm going to have this lassi, yummy. And let me see what else to eat. And this one called Vada. It's popular in Mumbai. Okay, now I'm ready for the adventure. Okay, so I'm going to take a rickshaw from here since this temple is a little far from the station. So I'm going to take a rickshaw. It's a chair rickshaw. So I'm in the rickshaw now. It will take approximately 10 minutes from here. And the friends of finally made the temple, this temple area, Jivadani temple, and you can see the temple from here. See? Oh my goodness. On top of the hill. This is the temple. Over 1400 steps here you can. Okay. I'm going to take this walkway. Okay. I don't want to take this. We have so many other places to explore. So I don't want to spend my entire energy here climbing the steps. So I'm going to take this ropeway. The ticket is available somewhere there. I think the ticket rate is 250 for up and down journey. Okay. Single train ticket is single ticket is not available. So very strategic planning, isn't it? So only double tickets, return ticket is available here. So that is 250 rupees. And anywhere to take ticket. These are the tiny shops selling various puja items and so many other things. You can see the jewelry and offerings to the god, various offerings to the god, and these are the tiny shops on the sides of this pathway. All these are shops selling puja items or the flowers and various offerings to the Jivadani Mandir. Oh, there's hundreds of shops here. Okay, this is the entry gate. You remove the shoes before entry, so I'm gonna give you my shoes here. Shoe counter. And this is the parking space for vehicles, various vehicles here. This is so spacious, and you can see the temple from here. See how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna go there. So I have to take a ticket, ropeway ticket from here. Okay, from this side. Right. This is the ticket counter for ropeway. Okay, this is my train. It's what we call ropeway. Okay, started moving. See. It's very difficult to shoot through this glass. Still you can get an area full of flora and fauna on the way up. The amazing view of the town, Virar town from here. And this roadway to this temple, Jivadani temple, is a significant infrastructure development that has greatly facilitated access to the temple, especially for those who find the climb is challenging. This idea of constructing a ropeway to Jivadani temple was conceived to address the difficulties faced by devotees, especially the elderly and physically challenged, in climbing these over 1400 steps leading to the temple. Before the ropeway's installation, the arduous climb was deterrent for many potential visitors
Recognizing this challenge, the local administration and temple authorities decided to implement a more convenient mode of transportation. And for instance, I'm shooting through this glass, the visuals are not very clear, I'm sorry for that.
Well, I reached this place on top of the hill, and this is the temple. This is the ropeway. This is the train. What we call it? I don't know. Lift? Okay, I call it lift. Not train, it's not a train exactly. Okay, so this is the final point of this ropeway, but I have to take a lift or elevator from here to reach the top level. Where is this temple is located? This is not the final area. Elevator. I will take this elevator to reach to the topmost level where this temple is located. So this is the lift. Okay, finally we reached the temple. This is the temple. This is the final area. This is the topmost area of this hill. Because the video shooting is not allowed inside the sanctum, so I'm going to switch off the camera right now.
And from this goddess Jivadani is a form of goddess Durga. Durga is a major Hindu goddess. She is associated with protection, strength, destruction, motherhood and war.
Wow, it is an amazing experience. I decided to climb down the steps instead of taking the ropeway on my way back. Okay, now I'm gonna climb down the steps. It's over 1400 steps, I think. I didn't count. I'm not gonna count anyway. This one's just going down. And let me see. It is much easier than climbing up, isn't it? Here also you get to see all these puja items. See, these are the various puja items, offerings to the goddess. These are the steps. Oh my God. Walking down. See the unending steps. And there are people, of course, walking up. I will show you amazing visuals from here. You can see the entire Virar area from this spot. It's so difficult to walk barefoot, my dear friends. I never used to that. My foot is so painful. Oh my God! I didn't expect such a rough pathway. And see the visual from here. There's a steep steps. These steps are much steeper now. See, it's very steep. It's a little slippery, so I have to be very careful. There's even dogs. There are several dogs here. See very steep steps. No. This is unexpected. But I've taken that ropeway instead of walking down like this. The steps are very steep and slippery because of the rain.
अंकल नींबू पानी नहीं बट रहा एक बार ट्राई करो
I think there are hundreds of steps again. So as I told you, it's 1465 steps total. So I'm climbing down all these steps now. Very steep. Now this area is not that slippery, but still it's not that easy for someone clearly understood walking barefoot is very difficult for me. Not for me, not just for me, for anybody who never used to walk barefoot. It's very difficult, especially rough steps like this. It's not that smooth. This is the first time in my life walking barefoot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I finally made to the ground. It was so difficult walking barefoot. I realized walking barefoot is very difficult for those uninitiated. Really. Okay. So our next destination is Rajodi Beach. It's one of the beautiful beaches in Virar. Virar has several beaches. Virar is a beach town, I think. And there are several beaches in Virar. And this is one of the beautiful beaches. So we are heading to that place. For that I take a rickshaw from here to the station. From station I take rickshaw or bus to the beach. So I had to ask there. Okay, now heading to Rajodi Beach. Bad news guys, this beach is closed because of the high tide. I just got the message. No, it's no point visiting this beach because visitors are not allowed right now. So we'll make it some other day. Now heading back to the railway station. And this is the marketplace next to the Virar railway station west. This is the station west. Virar railway station west. Because at the station, Virar station, I'm going to take this train. This is a Churchill train, and I'm going to board this train, and I get down at Dadar. Okay.
The view from the train is absolutely beautiful. You can see the hilly areas and also agricultural, or these are salt pans or agricultural land, I'm not sure, but most probably agricultural land. These are the swampy lands in Maharashtra, especially coastal regions of Maharashtra like Virar and Konkan coast are characterized by marshes and mangroves. These are rich in biodiversity, providing habitats for various plants and animal species, including many migratory birds.
Finally made to Dadar. This is Dadar station. But that's all for today. I'm signing off. Watch my video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. And I'll see you next week. Till then, goodbye. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.